You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this music writer and producer and Twitch partner, YouTuber as well, and so on. How do you pronounce her name? She announced on Twitter herself that her username is to be pronounced as derivative, the word, plus cat. Combine the two of them, and that creates Derivakat. Derivakat. Yeah, it's easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.